Alright, how you going folks? Neil Kerr here, CCIP Sunshine Coast, shop front window cleaning, and the title of this is the best free platforms to use to promote any type of business online. And follow the prompts at the end of this video and I'll share with you a free email script and cold calling script. Free to use, free to share. Just follow on this little video, excuse me, and I'll give you the prompts. Look, you follow that, that's just me and you exchanging a little value between each other. You do this and I'll give you this. Sound fair? Rightio. So, you've probably watched a whole bunch of YouTube videos. Everyone has their opinion, perspective. This is just mine, and I feel this is the best way to go if you're starting out with any type of business, whether it's social media marketing, whether it's online, whether it's offline, or a service-orientated business like I'm creating here. This is the way to go. I feel, once again, just my perspective. I've created this little site with Google My Business, so it's really simple. It's quite neat looking. I've started with this so you can see. You can build it on Wix, you can build it on WordPress, but this just sort of propagates naturally a simple template with the information that you put in on Google My Business. Obviously, I had to go in and add the details. Now, like with all things, okay, a brick wall is not built by itself. You've got to lay the bricks down, and by learning how to lay bricks down correctly, you're going to get a well-built wall. Okie dokie, right? So, a lot of times in the beginning of starting up a business, we're strapped for cash, and these are all free methods. You just need to put in the freaking effort. Now, why am I using this? Is because this is powered by Google. Okay, Google is your friend, and it comes down to SEO and keyword research. Learn a bit about that, understand how that works, search engine optimization, and it's going to help you out a big deal. Even creating an email around your business. Sunshine Coast shop front window cleaning. You'll see up here shop front window clean, like put it where you can put it, where it's not too overboard. Even putting an image here of your business card, okay, the title of your website. It's really simple. If you just go Google My Business, excuse me, a really easy way to go. And so why not leverage a big ass platform like Google? So if you start, god damn, I just had some freaking cereal. You usually have that. It's caught in my bloody throat. Right. Can't be reached. No internet. Something's going wrong. That's being silly right at the moment. I think because I'm using this screen share, which is Screen-O-Matic. Alright, so just Google My Business. I'll put a URL. You know how it works. You're all savvy YouTube viewers by now. Look in the description and I'll supply you all with the links where you need to go. If you're 100% newbie to this, most of you are going to get pretty savvy. You're probably going to press pause on this YouTube, go and open up a new tab. You're going to type in what I'm mentioning, then you're going to come back and have this playing in audio while we're going through this process. So Google My Business, follow the prompts. It's really simple. Put in your details. You're going to need to wait about 2 weeks. If you're in America, you'll probably get it quicker. You need to get a postcard. Okay, if you go and have a look on my Instagram, you'll see I put a post up there. I finally got that postcard from Google, and it's just a verification number. And the good thing about that is it just says, hey, your address exists because we sent you email, a freaking postcard to this address. You enter in the number and it says, all right, you exist, your real address. We're going to now put an identification tag to your address in relation to your company. So now you're on Google Maps, people. So once this comes up, CCIP Sunshine Coast shop front window cleaning on Google Maps. So now I'm on Google My Business. They've created me a little sweet little business site. I'm now verified on Google Maps. So the keyword window cleaning, it'll come up on Google Maps. Brilliant. Next, you want to get onto Blogger. or blogspot.com. Blogger is also owned by Google, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, see? It says powered by Blogger, but it's Google. Okay, Google owned this platform. Once again, put in the freaking time and the effort to create some content. Grab some pictures. Now, I was fortunate enough, I was doing some subcontract window cleaning work, so I was taking pictures of, my work, because I'm freaking proud of what I'm doing. And I've utilized that to use this as a standard shop front. Okay, so this would be like just the outside, just $12.50, and to do the outside of frames it'd be $15, and if it was just inside and out I'd probably go $27.50. A little extra value, little extra. So if it's $12.50, it's $25, but in and out and mopping up it's $27.50. Right, you'll figure it out, and be okay with getting the knockbacks, because you've got to set yourself up that, hey, I'm here to do a really, 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 really good job, and put the effort in creating this really nice professional looking content. You may need to watch some more YouTube videos about how to do that. Reach out to me on my Instagram. I'll have links down below. I'm more than happy to help you out if you're willing to assist me as well. That's liking this video, subscribing, leaving a positive comment, some benefit. Oh yeah, I got really good value out of this. Follow this guy. Where it's about exchange. Okay, you want something for free, and I want something in return. I'm not going to lie about that. This is about the law of reciprocity. So I'm giving out this free content, and I'm being freaking honest and open with you all. Okay, so Blogger, get into it, get onto it. It's really simple to set up. I'm pretty sure you can link your website as well. So you want this back linking. This also creates what I call a digital footprint. It's marvelous stuff, and it's all for free. Next, YouTube, good old YouTube. Don't be scared, right? Create a channel. It's really simple. I created this on, damn, what was it? I just looked up free YouTube banner art, and this came up, and I went and created this on that side, and I was able to download it without creating an account. So when I figure that out, who that is and remember that is, I'll put a link and give them a shout out, because I think that's really good, right? Then the other option you have is, I think it's called Photoscape. Need to get that software. It's just a simple photo editing software. It's free. I think you get it through CNET or Softonic, something like that. Grab that. There's a lot of free stuff out there. Just get some reviews off YouTube and get an accumulation of reviews. So if 20, 10, 30 people are saying, hey, Photoscape's a pretty good free software, then go and grab that. Ladies and gentlemen, the next is Facebook. This is a bit of a beast. This takes a little bit of learning, as does Twitter. But we'll go into more detail on videos to come on how and what I'm doing and how I'm doing it and why I'm doing it. But treat each platform as its own identity and create a system on the type of content you're sharing and why you're sharing it there. And that keeps things separate. And you're not just cloning everything. Like, if I go to Instagram, you're putting the same photos on your Facebook page and on your blog and on your, it's like, oh, it's a little saturated. The little clue, ladies and gentlemen, is allocating a role for each platform. Okay, so Instagram, let's just say that's going to be a little bit of behind the scenes on who you are to a degree as a person. Okay, this is just strictly business related. Everything I'm doing with Sunshine Coast shop front window. Well, I let it out of the bag. Oh, there's my face. You know what I'm saying there. But just like here, I'm doing a proposal. Here, I'm setting things up in a Google spreadsheet. Here's a little contract I scored here doing some, and like, look, people, when I first started all this, I was on the floor. Okay, I was literally on the floor. I got the printer. It's sitting on the box. This is a milk crate. I'm now sitting at a picnic table that I bought from Bunnings. If you're in America, that would be something like Home Depot or Lowe's. So just upgrade. The first investments that I made were via Vistaprint, and I got some shirts and I got some business cards. Here I'm making a wet shield or a drip shield for my squeegees. Okay, I just got some black diamond rubber from Squeegee Rubber Australia. You'll see that here. It looks really freaking nice, and the edges on these are so really nice, sharp, crisp edges. So I'm looking forward to using this. So Instagram, get onto it. What's it about? Before and after. Facebook, find a strategy behind that. What do you want to do on Facebook? Share the content, link that out to your other accounts. Maybe you want to do booking. Where'd the website go? Oh, I'll close it off. That's what's good about the website, is it connects straight to your email. So when people want to book, they fill out a little form and it comes up in your Gmail. So that's brilliant. Gmail, that's owned by freaking Google, people. Like, come on. It's all here for us. The good thing here about Gmail, you may or may not know, hooks you straight up with your Google Calendar. Something's not right. Figure it out. It hooks you straight up to your Google Calendar, which I like. So let's just say I get an email. They go, yeah, that'd be great. Can you come in tomorrow at 10:30? You would click on your Google Calendar. You know how it works. Down here, there's going to be, because it's freaking slow, it's going to say create an event. Click on that. Enter in your potential customer or client's details into your calendar, and away you go. It's in there. There's no forgetting. Oh shit, that freaking email. Oh, I meant to go there today. The good thing about this, you put it in your calendar because it's connected to your Gmail. Make sure you put notifications on in your settings, right? So then that'll give you a notification via your smartphone. Ping, your phone will go off. You go, oh, what's that? Someone loves me? Oh, oh yeah, Google Calendar. Right, and you can set it up so it'll give you a notification and before the appointment. It's been really slow. I'm pretty sure it's because of this the screencast, or could be because it's in Easter right now at the time I'm recording this video, so everyone's just jumped the freaking Wi-Fi antenna. Right, another good thing on Gmail is you can get yourself really freaking organized. So if you're splitting your business up into services, create these little folders. So this is Airbnb cleaning, right? We do bond cleaning, office and store cleaning. Here would be confirmed accounts, right? The invoices that have been paid, invoices that have been sent, proposed accounts. This is like, okay, who have I emailed and proposed to? No, it sounds funny, doesn't it? Send out a proposal for my services. Then we've got pressure cleaning. Okay, then we've got shop front window cleaning. Invoices again, paid, sent, so on and so forth. And you just simply come down here, create a new label, right? Away you go. Create a label, and then you just keep everything in chapters. Right? If you put things like in chapters, it's going to keep it nice and tidy. Right? So, I said near the end of this video, I'm going to give you some prompts. You're going to get this email script here. It's also a cold calling script. Now, a little bit of a disclaimer. Okay? It's just based on my knowledge and on my research. It may work out for you. It may not work out for you. You're allowed to adjust it the way you want. So go down into the description, follow the prompts. You do that. Send me a message to Instagram with your email, and I'll send this out to you. Thanks for watching. Be good, be great, be brilliant. And go and make heaps of money, people, and live a good life. Peace. Hey, what's going on here? Better save that. God damn this thing. Turn off!